Hello everyone, this is Paulina from Pencil and welcome to today's tutorial showing you how to use leader mode in Pencil Spaces. Now as you can see on the left side of the screen I am the host of the meeting, while on the right side of the screen I'm a participant. As you can see that as a host I have the ability to access two additional permissions on the top left corner here, where I have access to a lock icon and a crown icon. Whenever I click on the crown icon, leader mode, I can automatically see a border around my whiteboard canvas as a host. As a participant, I see a border as well, except I see that the host is leading. As a host, if I click the Move Canvas tool at the bottom toolbar, and I click and drag around the whiteboard, you could see that my participant here follows me. So as the participant, I am following the host around the whiteboard. In addition, if I open up a different board and upload a PDF, I can see that when I change boards, my participants follow me between boards as well. That means that if I'm working on a PDF with multiple pages, I can pan around the board to show my participants what I want to show them. As a participant, when leader mode is turned on, I can still edit the whiteboard if I'd like to. But there is an additional permission called restricted mode, where a host can turn on the lock icon to lock the whiteboard entirely. Now, as a participant, I can only spectate the host because the whiteboard is locked, meaning I cannot edit, and leader mode is turned on, meaning that I cannot move around the whiteboard. Now, when I turn off leader mode and the whiteboard is still locked, the participant still cannot edit the whiteboard, but as a participant, I can still move around. I could even navigate between boards. Now, as a host, I'm going to disable the lock boards functionality, and now restricted mode is turned off. Now my participants will be able to edit. So that is it for today's tutorial on how to use leader mode and how to lock the whiteboard in Pencil Spaces, showing both the host and the participant's perspective. In summary, the crown icon or leader mode causes your participants to follow you around the whiteboard canvas. Meanwhile, the lock icon restricts your participants from editing the whiteboard. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to add them into the comment section below. We hope that you found this helpful, and as always, we thank you for watching.